morning, dear children. Hope you're all safe at home. This is Aishwarya Lakshmi, your new history teacher. I'm going to handle history and politics for this academic year. In today's class, we are going to start the first lesson in history. The name of the lesson is The Modern Period in Indian History. In this lesson, we are going to learn the distinguish between the ancient, medieval, and modern periods of Indian history, periodization of Indian history, colonization, choosing important dates and arranging historical facts chronologically, and various sources of modern history. These are the learning outcomes of this lesson. History of India is divided into three different periods: ancient period, the medieval period, and the modern period. Ancient period is a prehistoric age. This is about 3500 BCE to 647 CE. The medieval period is the age between 647 CE to 1750 CE. The medieval is a term used to describe a society where the features of modern society did not exist. Then the modern period. In India, the modern period starts after the death of the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb in 1707. You might have learnt about the ancient period in 6th grade and the medieval period in 7th grade. In today's class, we are going to learn about the modern period. The rule of Aurangzeb, the last of the great Mughals, marked the beginning of the decline of Mughal rule in India. The Europeans who had come to India as traders took advantage to this to establish colonies in different parts of the Indian subcontinent. Now let us learn about periodization in history. Historians divided history into broad time periods on the basis of certain distinctive characteristics. This is called as periodization. Here, distinctive characteristics means the age limit, based on the rulers and the age. The time they were ruling, etc. come under this. Why do we periodize history? We periodize history for better understanding of the past. James Mill, a Scottish economist and a political philosopher, he published 3 volumes of his work, The History of British India. In this book, he divided Indian history into 3 periods: Hindu, Muslim, and British. But Indian historians divided Indian history into 3 different periods: ancient, medieval, and modern. European countries like Spain, France, Germany, Poland, England, and Portuguese started colonizing different countries all over the world. This is because of imperialism. The term imperialism means the practice of extending the power, control, or rule by a nation over other countries. This imperialism is the root cause of industrialization also. Now let us see the meaning of colonization. Colonization is the process of subjugation of one country by another, which leads to political, economic, and socio-cultural changes in the conquered country. A colonizing country exploits the resources as well as the people of the subjugated country to promote its own interest. A colonial country means a country that was ruled by the another powerful country. Countries like India and continents like Africa were being colonized by the British and other European countries. As a result of colonization, many changes were brought in the British India. Dates in history are very important. A collection of historical facts would be a useless pile of information unless the events were arranged sequentially or chronologically in the order of their occurrence. Only then we can analyze the past events and segregate them into before and after. This helps to understand the past better. Historians researching different aspects of the same period find different dates and events are more significant. Dear children, I hope you might have understood what is taught so far. We shall discuss the sources of modern history in next video. Thank you, dears.